Question 33. A simply supported beam of length 2L is subjected to a moment m at the midpoint x equal to 0 as shown in the figure. The deflection in the domain 0 to L is given by W is equal to minus mx upon 12 EIL into L minus x into x plus c, where E is the Young's modulus, I is the area moment of inertia, and c is a constant to be determined. The slope at the center x equal to 0 is. So in this question we have been given an equation of deflection and a simply supported beam. X starts from the center, that is x equal to 0 is here and x equal to L is here. So by putting x equal to 0 we can see that deflection becomes 0, and even at x equal to L the deflection is equal to 0. Now let's first find reactions at A and B. So Ra into 2L will be equal to M. A moment M has been applied at the center. So Ra will be equal to M by 2L and Rb will be equal to minus M by 2L. Now by area moment method, we will find the deflection. We have to find the deflection at the center of the beam, that is at x equal to 0. So first let's make the moment diagram. The bending moment diagram will be, it will start from 0, will be maximum at the center, and the value at the center will be Ra into L. So that will be M by 2. And it will go to the negative side since this is acting in the anti-clockwise direction. So it will be minus M by 2 and finally it will end up at 0. So this is bending moment diagram. Now first let's find the deflection at this point. Say C. This is A, B and C. So to find the deflection at C, we need to find the area into the centroid of this triangle about B. So that will be half into M by 2 into L into this distance. Centroid will be here and this will be 2L by 3. So that will be 2L by 3. This will be deflection. So that is equal to ml square by 6. Now we want to find the slope over here. So slope at C will be equal to, since the deflection is 0, since we put x equal to 0, we will find that deflection is 0. So slope will be deflection by L. So that comes up to be m by 6 into L. And yeah, while finding this delta, we have to multiply it by 1 by EI. So this will be ml square by 6 EI and slope will be ml by EI, ml by 6 EI. This is the final answer.